Hey pros, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So today's video is definitely going to be one that's a little bit different from what you're traditionally used to seeing. A lot of you don't know, or maybe you do actually know, that this is my daughter Alexandria. She is the younger of my two daughters. And we were headed on our trip to the Bahamas, and she wanted to get some jumbo braids. Now, if you guys know, I am not a braider. I do not get excited about braiding, but if need be, I'm able to definitely give my child what she wants. So we decided after going to the beauty supply that we were going to do some ombre braids. And because it was vacation, she chose to get a kind of like a hot pink ombre color where it goes from a dark root to hot pink / light pink on the ends. And we went straight in by doing this process. Now, of course, your girl is not a braider, as I said before, so I had to adapt and do what we call the rubber band method. And I'm going to show you guys how I was able to achieve that today, not being a braider, not being a professional in regards to the braiding portion, but definitely knowing how to give my child what she wants and at minimal cost. Now, of course, you guys have noticed that I am blow drying her hair using our Platinum Turbo blow dryer just to kind of stretch her hair out. Her hair was washed and conditioned about 24 hours before this. She washed it herself, of course, using our low porosity collection, which is our protein free ultra hydrate product, where she was able to do the shampoo and then use the deep conditioning mask to leave her hair nice and soft. By the way, you guys, my daughter's also one of those people where she loves to wear wash and goes. So tangling is actually something that happens on a regular basis, hence the reason why she used the low porosity collection. Now, before I started doing the braids, I did want to add a little bit of our hair repair and growth balm to her scalp. I say this to you guys all the time. Scalp care is one of the most important parts of anything that you are doing, because if you have a bad scalp, do not expect your hair to give you what you are asking for, which is good or great hair. So definitely ensure that you are taking good care of your scalp. If you're going to be getting a service such as this, where you're getting braids or anything of that nature, while most braiders do not want you to have any type of product in the hair, you can definitely bring your hair repair and growth balm and request that they oil your scalp as they work with your hair. Because at the end of the day, this is your hair, your scalp, and you have to be proactive about what you are allowing and not allowing in your hair. Now, to make the process a lot easier, I decided to go through and pre-part her hair so that I knew I had all of my parts right, and I also knew that I had enough hair. This is something that I've observed a lot of other professional braiders doing, and it made a ton of sense, because what you don't want is to start this process and then you notice that as you're going through, you either misparted, or something is too small, something is too big, or you just didn't have enough braiding hair in order for this to work. So definitely I would recommend pre-parting the hair, making sure that your parts are nice and even, nice and straight. And this is going to make your job so much easier later on, because all you're doing is literally going piece by piece or section by section, because you've already done the bulk of the work. So the hair that we're using to do this service is pre-stretched. She wanted it really long. This came from pre-stretched braids. And this came in a beautiful ombre color in so many different shades. So it was really easy for us to pick this. And then also she wanted it to be a little bit longer than normal. So it does come in the 52 inch, it comes in 64 inch and even longer. We went with, I think it was 52 or 54 inch pre-stretched. Now, if you have an allergy to braiding hair, this is definitely something you want to think about. Sometimes you need to wash your hair. Sometimes you would need to pre-treat that hair before you use it. Like, there's so many different reasons why people do the things that they do. So make sure that you are careful when that happens. Now, for this to actually work, I did use some of our Elite Control Edge Control. And then all I did was part the hair down the middle. And then I used a rubber band to secure the hair, which is the braiding hair in between her two pieces of hair. So I'm going to show you guys that again in just a moment. But this basically allowed me to now start with 3 pieces because I get so confused when it comes on to splitting the hair when I'm doing braids. And it allowed me to have way more control when I was doing her braids and keep it nice and neat. So this particular technique I highly recommend for anyone who wants to give themselves or even their kids those jumbo braids. I actually learned this technique during COVID, you guys, when there was nothing available and I needed to get my hair done and your girl just did not know what she was doing. So I had to learn how to improvise and do the rubber band method of these braids. Now I'm going to show you guys again just how easy this is. Basically, you know, when we were doing this braid, splitting the hair in 2 is what made it really, really simple. Because when I had her hair and trying to do this as one big piece and trying to make it nice and taut or tight, I just could not get that part down. So the rubber band method allows you to have more control. It also allows you to create that 3-piece that you need to actually do the braids. And it keeps the braids nice and tight all in the same sense. So you are not getting confused. You're not working with trying to figure out how to blend the hair in. Like, it can be so much more complicated than this. Now, a pro tip that I definitely would give is when you are trying to blend your hair in with the braiding hair, use a little bit of Elite Control Edge Control and just glide it over your hair so that it makes the hair nice and sleek. And then it will literally lay or blend right into your braiding hair. Now, if you guys are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also tell me in the comments what you guys thought about the finished look. She loved these braids. They worked out really well. I'll put some pictures at the end of her during our vacation and how well they held up. And of course, don't forget to go and check out our website, elitehaircareusa.com, for all of the products that we use today, excluding the braiding hair. They are available on our site. And I know it is New Year's Eve 2024, so I wanted to wish you guys a happy new year. Can't wait to see you all in 2025. Thanks for watching. Bye.